instead of not having like an intro, like we'll have those words and then it'll just go right into my verse and shit. Alright. Here it goes now then. A real nightclub with real good music, quite comfy, loud dancing, it's the movement. A process along came out of thought to fill your mind, to make your sneakers slide, rage your drink and preach the beat was live. You heard the finished product but never the rough draft. Here it is, the last, I'll take you through on how we make a jam. Sitting right in this, I know it sounds bad but alas, got replaced with that line that ends with rough draft. I just read up to this, not in my head it sounded pretty bad, I just read it again. I'm making sure before some lines I add, grab the party hat, not yet. I need to hop in the booth, take whatever makes it, that's used to fix the level juice. Say it how it's meant, back up. Which one should I pick? Quiet, comfy, loud, dancing, sneaker slide. Here it is, here it lives, an idea you can grasp. You heard it all before, but rarely heard the rough draft. Take one, take two, take one, take two, take one, take one, take two, take one, take two, take one, take yo. Rough, I need a shave, draft, pull me another bumper that Zimbabwe, legit brothers from the mother, pop it out and throw in the new demo beat tape. Eat some grapes in the crate, grab the pen and the paper, skim through, locate the heat, then I put it on repeat. Get an idea brewing like some barley, hops and wheat, refine and intertwine till I come up with some lines, run through them in my mind, then I write down the design. About 8 bars in, I start losing some steam, take it back to bar 4 and devise a new scheme. When I was younger, had the everyday writing routine, but now it's only when it's time to step to bat for the team. We put in a lot of time over here at Time Machine to keep the product free of filler and excessive, yeah I means. Now I mean, a witty line's the only time you're supposed to laugh, so to keep it that way, we stay with the rough draft. Take one, take two, take one, take one, take one, take two. I would never go take one, take two, take one, take two, take one, take two. Let's go. But in the end, I'm sure that you will find it fine. I lose them. Hit my soccer music, the style I don't use it. But in the end, I'm sure that you will find it fine. I lose them. Hit my soccer music, the style I don't use it. But in the end, I'm sure that you will find it fine. I lose them. Hit my soccer music, the style I don't use it.